up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is yet another try on haul. This is a try on haul in collaboration with Kingdom Clothing, and I'm partnering with them to give you this try on haul. So the founder and the owner gave me a couple of pieces to try out, and so throughout the video you will see the different and various pieces that I tried out. I actually have on one right now, but you'll see the full details once we get to the video part of it. The company launched in 2017 with just t-shirts and expanded just this last year. They have t-shirts, earrings, bracelets, dresses and skirts, and they have unisex pieces as far as t-shirts are concerned. For any purchases that you like to make, you can go to www.kingdomclothing.com, and I will leave links on the screen for you to see the correct spelling, everything of that. Or you can also follow them on Instagram at Kingdom Clothing 7 and on Facebook as well. T-shirts are mainly purchased on the website, and accessories and other clothing items will be sold through Instagram and Facebook. And the company was even dope enough to give me my own coupon code. So if you type in Ariel316 when you get to the checkout, you will get free shipping with your item. So be sure to go out and support and purchase a couple of pieces. I hope you like the pieces that you'll see in this video, and of course I will give you details on everything that I tried out and my thoughts and my opinions on it. And I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Be sure to check out Kingdom Clothing. All links and information will be in the description box, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.
So the first piece I'm trying out is this silky blue and pink dress. It has a low cut back. I like the fit on this dress. I feel like it's super cute, especially for a beach day. It does tie around the neck like a halter top, and then also these naturally dope earrings. Next piece is this dress right here. It's super long. I think this was like a medium, so I would definitely need a small, but I don't know if it's for me because I'm so small and I'm still not that tall. So, but I think it was pretty cute, and it has a low back as well, which I did not show because I would literally be showing my whole back on YouTube. But I think it's cute. It's for the grown and sexy, so watch it. Be careful. Also, the earrings that I paired with this particular look were the Black Girls Rock, but I wasn't paying attention to know that I had the earring backwards, so it says Black Girls Rock. So yeah. And this next number is just a olive green cutout shoulder dress. It's kind of has like a high-low thing to it. I think it's really cute, and some cute graffiti type earrings. I really like those. This next number is a black and smart dress. I thought it was really cute, something fun and sporty. Definitely something I would like wear to just hang out or chill or whatever. I think it's really cool. And these yellow Afro puff earrings are really cute as well. And this next piece is just a t-shirt that says "You can do all things through Christ except come for me," which I feel like it's going to be my favorite shirt for the summer because we ain't got time for the games, okay? We not finna play. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up and like and comment and subscribe. Let me know what your favorite outfit was, and please be sure to check out Kingdom Clothing, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.